what should happen moving forward, both in terms of Project 2028, meaning making sure we get the next good president. You believe someone like Riza Ontiveros should be there. And at the same time, also in the meantime, siguraduhin natin maayos yung anti-corruption investigations at hindi ito ma-hijack ng mga Team Kadliman.
Let's just say na mayroong opportunity. At nakikita natin apat yung factions, no? Apat. So, yung Pinks, yung Dutertes, yung Marcos base, and yung mga non-aligned. But we should not rule out any scenario that it will be a Duterte and anti-Duterte battle in 2028. I think mas maganda na ganon ang maging linya para mas formidable. As I mentioned in so many vlogs, si Senator Risa would be the ideal champion for that. At she has demonstrated, nakita mo na titindig siya sa harap, sa battlefield, ando doon siya sa front lines, talagang sinusuwag niya yung mga ano. Yun yung mga kailangan na leader natin, yung advocate and yung may reformist agenda. Since may vacuum din sa Marcos administration, malay mo magkaroon ng Team Unity 2.0 pero between the Pinks
Pero
and the
anti-Duterte.
anti-Duterte, di ba? So I think it would be in the interest of everyone, yung mga mulat ang mata sa mga pangyayari, sa mga kasamaan ng Dutertes. I think it would be an opportune time na magkaisa in that regard.